Verbs. Action words. What are verbs? Verbs are the action words in a sentence. They tell us what a person, animal, or object is doing. Examples of action words are drink, eat, cook, read, write, sleep, dance, sing, fight, bake, swim, climb, bathe, play, and much more. Underline the action word or the verbs in the sentences. The teacher teaches the students. Teaches is the verb. Birds fly across the clear sky. Fly is the action word. The cat sleeps on the rug. Sleeps. We walked to school together. Walk. She reads a book before bed. Reads. The chef cooks a delicious meal. Cooks. I run in the park every morning. Run.